Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook something went wrong issue. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now from here there's going to be a few solutions. First, let's make sure that the settings for the Facebook app are correct. Exit the application, and then from here, once you do that, you're going to search for the settings. Go to here and then click on settings. Once you go to the settings, you can see the app section on the third one. Click on it. And from here you can see Facebook, but if you don't see it in the recent apps, you can just click on see all apps, and then from here you can directly search for it. Once you find it, click on it. Once you go right here, you're going to see the third option that says storage and cache. Click on that one. Now from here, you're going to simply click on the button that says clear cache. Once that is done, you're going to then exit out of the Facebook app and the settings. And now from here, we're going to make sure that the Facebook app is fully updated. So from here, going to make sure to go and close everything ahead, and then go and click on the Play Store or the App Store and then search for Facebook. Once you do that, you can see right here the first button. If it said update instead of open, then you're going to make sure to click on update and make sure that it is in the latest version. If you still do that and it doesn't work, then there's going to be one last option. We're going to make sure that we have enough storage on our device for Facebook to function properly. So from here you can scroll down and then see storage. And as you can see, I still have a decent amount of storage that is left over, 76 gigabytes out of 128. But if for you it was around 90 or 95% taken and there was no free space at all, then that can make Facebook lag out and not work properly. Finally, we can then check for a software update. You can first scroll down, and then from here going to click on the system. And then from here you can see in the system, you can see system update, and going to click on that. And if it had offered you a new update, then you can click on the check for updates and then make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. And then from there, you're going to restart the device, and that should solve your problem. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.